So to do a chainless double crochet, you're going to do 3 chains, and then you're going to still go into that first chain, same as half double and single, and you're going to yarn over and then insert into that first chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop. Okay, and that's your chain that you just made. And now to do the double crochet that you're working into that chain that you just made, you're going to yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through those next 2 loops. So you started your double crochet, same as the half double crochet, you started it and then made the chain and then finished off that stitch. So you're yarning over, inserting into that last chain that you made, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop to make your chain, and then to finish, you got to finish off your double crochet. So you pull through those 2 loops and then the next 2. And then you just keep doing that. And with the double crochet, with the chainless double crochet, this first chain 3 will count as a stitch, which is different from the half double and single because the first 2 chain that you do doesn't count, but in this case it does. I have tried doing it where I don't work into this one and it just looks like I left off a stitch. So you do want to work into that that 3rd chain that you make up here and just treat that as its own stitch.